Spokane Health District has confirmed 2 cases of the measles in Spokane, but the effect on the community touches many, many more. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nadine Woodward. The Health District has quarantined more than 20 people in their homes who had contact with the 2 infected people and cautioning others to avoid some public places. KXLY4's Grace Stitzler working for you. You found someone who wasn't even in contact with the contagious people, but still has to stay at home. Grace?
It found a woman whose unvaccinated baby could be at risk. They've already had to stay at home for at least a week, and they could be quarantined at home for another 15 days.
Oh, you still got more? This is 2-week-old Irene and her mom, Holly. Until May 15th, and maybe longer, they're stuck at home.
Our doctor told us that with the measles being in town, it's just best not to risk it and to stay home, to avoid public places.
With 2 confirmed cases of measles in Spokane and the health district warning there could be more cases on the way, Holly doesn't want to risk it.
Being that she's so young and her immune system is so new, that measles can kill someone this small.
It will be months before Irene can get the MMR vaccine. And until then, she could get sick from someone carrying the virus.
Frustrating. Yeah. It's very frustrating.
Holly says she's thankful for her paid maternity leave and feels for other mothers who might be in a similar situation.
I consider myself really fortunate that I am able to stay home right now and, just economically, sometimes you can't.
The Spokane Regional Health District says these 2 cases have had a ripple effect on the entire Spokane community.
With the first case, there were many public exposures, so I'm sure we're close to 400 people that were impacted, and some of those people are told to stay home because they don't have documented immunity. They can't prove it. That's a huge impact to, with one identified case.
The health district stresses that getting the MMR vaccine is the best way to protect yourself from measles and other people like little Irene, who don't have a choice in the matter.
And the health district urges anyone who is not vaccinated and doesn't have any medical conditions preventing them from getting vaccinated to go ahead and get immunized. That MMR vaccine is available at doctors' offices and many pharmacies like Walgreens and Safeway. Reporting at the health district tonight, I'm Grace Stitzler, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Grace.